Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Visio Professional and selecting the template that matches your deliverable. Pick flowchart, network, or floor plan. Once chosen, set page size and orientation to match printing or slide dimensions, and enable grid and snap to grid so shapes align predictably. Then open the stencil pane and drag core shapes onto the canvas to establish the skeleton of your diagram. As you place shapes, use the Quick Connect arrows to create initial links. This gets the structure ready for detailed work. Once the skeleton is in place, focus on tidy connections and clarity. Use connectors with dynamic glue and automatic routing so lines flow around shapes cleanly. Adjust routing options when needed. You should customize shapes by editing text, setting exact size values, and filling shape data fields for metadata or export. Group related clusters to move them as units and assign layers for visibility control. Make sure to use alignment, distribute, and spacing tools so the diagram reads easily and prints without overlap. Finish by validating every connection label and shape data entry. Scroll through the diagram zoomed in and at full view to confirm readability. Export to PDF or SVG for sharing, save a Visio copy for edits, and keep incremental versions or enable autosave to avoid data loss. Before printing, set scale, margins, and center the drawing on the sheet so nothing is clipped. If lines jump or shapes won't glue, toggle snap and glue off then back on. That often resets connection behavior and fixes stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.